Hello, Namaste everyone. My name is Drishna Vishte and I am from grade 7B. Today I am going to make an anemometer by paper cups and other common stationery items. To make this system, we need this item: paper cup, punching machine, straws, hot glue gun. Now I will tell you some overview of steps which you need to follow. First, we need to make holes using punching machine. Using similar step, I have put hole on all the 5 similar glasses. Now we have to insert the straw on all the glasses. We have to insert the straws using this pattern. We have to fix the position of glass and sticks using hot glue gun. In the middle glass, we have to fix the plastic pipe to insert our metal rod in it for supporting our anemometer. Now we have to insert our metal rod into our paper pipe. The final product looks like this. Now let's test the system. For support, I have fixed this anemometer in the triangle, and I am going to test this from hair dryer. I will also take help from my little sister. Now let's test the system. As the level of the wind, the anemometer speed become less or more. Hope you like my system and hope you will also try to make this system. Thank you. Namaste.